So here's my ultimate e-commerce resource guide, and this is perfect for anyone out there who is wanting to grow their handmade craft business online. So my number one is absolutely Shopify. So that's shopify.com, and it is the best e-commerce platform. It has everything you need to sell online, on social media, or in person. My favorite features, you can get a 14-day free trial by clicking on that link, and it's super easy to set up. They have lots of themes to choose from, and a theme is just sort of the template that you use for your website. It's super customizable by someone who doesn't know anything about website design or coding, and there's multiple sales channels available, which means they can update your Facebook store or make your Instagram posts shoppable or shoppable pins on Pinterest. They also have an integrative point of sale, which means that all your inventory can be managed on Shopify.com in your store, but you can sell in person on your phone or on your tablet, and it updates the inventory, has your prices right there, and captures all of the credit card information that you need to process payments. So my second most favorite resource is Drip. So drip.com, and it's a super sophisticated email marketing automation platform. And what that means is you can schedule emails to go out to a group of people that are on your list. So you can segment. So that's one of my favorite features of it. So you can, say you have people that are just interested in your Christmas line. So you can tag them in Drip as liking your Christmas items so that they get special emails about your Christmas stuff, whereas somebody that's more interested in maybe a natural home product line, you can tag them and do really sophisticated targeting for that group in your email list as well. And they have free to try up to 100 subscribers. So as long as you're under that 100 mark of subscribers, it's free. Endless automations and workflows. So again, you can schedule those emails to go out, for as long out as you want. So say you want an email to go out next week, you can set it up today and schedule it for a time and a day next week, and it'll go out for you. And then workflows means that if a email subscriber joins a campaign, so say they come into your email list and you've set it up and they come into what they call a campaign, you can have it set up to where they get a series of emails. So say they come in, you have a welcome campaign. The first email welcomes them. The second email tells them a little bit more about your business. The third email offers them a product that you're selling. And then a workflow is taking them from that campaign and putting them into, say, your regular main list of people to get now your regularly scheduled broadcast emails. So you can schedule workflows like that in Drip. So my next favorite resource is LeadPages. So it's leadpages.net. And it's a landing page tool, and you use a landing page to really capture emails. So say you have a coupon code or you have a free resource that you use to get them to opt in and give you their email address. LeadPages makes it really pretty. They have these really snazzy templates that you can use that you can totally make on brand with your colors and your logo and images. And there's a 14-day free trial for LeadPages. My favorite thing is that it integrates with your email service. So once someone puts their email into your lead page that you've created, it'll go right into your email, into a campaign where it'll get tagged and sorted properly into your email list. And their templates are really easy to use. So everybody knows that I love Canva, canva.com. They have a free version, which I think is completely adequate for most small businesses. And what Canva is, it's a really streamlined graphics program with tons of templates that you can use. They have them already pre-sized for you for various social media platforms. You can do, letter size, save things as PDFs or as JPEGs or PNG files, if those are images. And they have a free version, like I said, that's super simple to learn, so they don't overwhelm you with the amount of options that you have available to make your graphics. They kind of give you just the ones that you really, really need and you're going to use over and over again. And I love their free templates. It's super easy to just choose a handful of templates that you're going to use over and over again to create a really on-brand look. And they also have free images and illustrations that you can browse through and use. So my last resource I want to talk to you about is called GSuite, and it's a Google product. So that would be like your Gmail, your Google Docs. They have spreadsheets and word processing documents in there. And GSuite, they have a 14-day free trial, and then they have a monthly fee after that that's pretty low. I think it starts at $5. And this is where you get your branded email address if you don't want it hosted with like GoDaddy or something like that. But they also have added features like cloud storage, which is really nice. I really like that. If you've ever had a hard drive die on you and lose all of your data, you know that cloud storage is a lifesaver. So it allows you to digitally store your files, but also makes it super easy to collaborate. So if you need to share your documents with people, they have real-time collaborations that you can go in there and work on your projects with a team or your friend. And then you can also do video conferences, and they also have social media integrations and things like that. So those are my top 5 ultimate e-commerce resources for handmade business owners.